to today's seminar on workplace dignity and gender sensitization, unlearning bias and strengthening prevention of sexual harassment from policy to practice. Without wasting any time, as Sitwat ma'am today has a meeting suddenly scheduled at 7:30, I would first like to call upon ma'am, Dr. Ayantika Ghosh, our principal, Ballygunge Mahavidyalaya, to deliver her welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Rajshri. Good evening, everybody. Our esteemed guests, respected faculty members, and dear students. It is my pleasure to welcome you to today's webinar on this topic, organized by the Seminar Subcommittee in collaboration with the Gender Sensitization Subcommittee of Ballygunge Mahavidyalaya. In today's world, creating a safe and inclusive work environment is crucial. This webinar aims to address the importance of gender sensitization and the prevention of sexual harassment policies in the workplace. I welcome our distinguished speaker, Advocate Sitwat Nabi, Assisting Counsel with the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, who will share her expertise and insights on this critical topic. I extend my gratitude to the organizing committee for their efforts in making this event possible. I hope this webinar will be a valuable learning experience for all participants and inspire positive change in our workplaces and communities. Thank you, and I hope you have a productive and enriching session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So next, I would like to call upon Shri Devi Prashad Lahiri, Convener, Gender Sensitization Subcommittee, to speak a few words.
Good evening, everybody. The topic of the discourse, workplace dignity and gender sensitization, is extremely pertinent nowadays when women and men are increasingly working together across domains, and such encouraging endeavor is widely recognized as extremely beneficial for the upliftment of the society and economic growth. Hence, it is necessary that individuals are made aware of various concerns in this regard to develop a healthy society free of any bias or prejudice. Just framing policies in this respect would not suffice. Stringent enforcement of such policies is the need of the day. Hence, it is our pleasure to invite the Advocate of High Court, Madam Sitwat Nabi, for enriching us on the theme of today's webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So now I would like to call upon Dr. Anisha Sengupta to introduce the speaker to start the main session. However, I would like to mention here that Madam Sitwat Nabi is in a meeting at the moment, and she will join shortly. So let us now introduce her, and then we will move on to the next session as she joins.
Thank you, Rajashri. So here is an introduction to our speaker.
Sitwat so Anisha, Nabi. You can just
am I audible?
Your voice is a bit breaking up.
Wait a minute. Somebody's trying to join, so
it's breaking up a bit.
Am I audible now?
Okay.
Hello? Am I audible? রাজশ্রী শোনা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Sitwat Nabi is an advocate practicing at the Honorable Supreme Court of India.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Sitwat Nabi is an advocate practicing at the Honorable Supreme Court of India and
Yes,
Delhi High Court.
can you hear me? Am I audible to others?
হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে।
আমাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে? Am I audible now? Rajeshwari, am I audible? Hello?
একটু ব্রেক করছে।
আসলে people are joining, so once they are trying to join, I think my voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking a bit, no? Can you hear me?
I can hear you distinctly.
You carry on. Nisha, it's audible.
Okay.
It's audible. You carry on. সুস্মিতাদি একটু বলবে?
হ্যাঁ, আমাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে এখন?
ওখানে আমার গলাটা শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, আমি তোমার গলা শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
আমি তোমাদের সবার গলায় পরিষ্কার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Just wait a minute, ma'am is joining.
হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে, তুমি করো, বলো। স্পিকার।
এক মিনিট, speaker is joining.
Yes, you carry on.
Sitwat Nabi is an advocate practicing at the Honorable Supreme Court of India and Delhi High Court. She is registered with the Bar Council of Delhi. In her time at the bar, she has filed and argued matters of a diverse nature, which predominantly includes
I have joined.
Which predominantly includes but is not limited to civil commercial disputes, arbitration law, and competition law. She has led numerous high-stake litigations before the courts of India, resulting in landmark decisions. She has dexterously dealt with a plethora of legal domains that include divorce, family law, child protection, Muslim law, civil litigation, labor law, property disputes, accident-related matters, among others. She also has a keen interest in human rights, women and child right issues. She is a legal aid partner with NGOs and trusts and has a deep passion for intellectual property laws. Today, ma'am will deliver a talk on workplace dignity and gender sensitization, unlearning bias, and strengthening POSH from policy to practice. So, without further ado, since ma'am is already here, we think we can move on. Over to you, ma'am.
Nisha, not audible. Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
welcome you here.
Yes. Thank you so much. I am really grateful to be in the company of such learned and educated and especially it being from West Bengal, because I'm from Delhi High Courts, but honored to have been invited to deliver a talk on a topic which is really close to the of us as us as teachers. So I will, without further ado, I will just get ahead with the session. And as everyone is aware, yeah, a very good evening once again. And we are going to speak about it. I'll just like to confirm if I'm audible to everyone.